Hello and welcome to yet another video of the Desi Gift Unboxing.
Before we move forward, don't forget to subscribe to our channel because that's what helps us grow.
And if you've liked this video, at the end, do remember to like and comment on this video.
And also click on the bell icon to remain notified.
And you can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram.
So what are we going to unbox today?
So today's gift hamper is from Bombay Shaving Company.
Okay.
It's a hamper full of them that's available on Amazon.
Okay, from the name it sounds that it is predominantly a men's product.
I think so, but let's open it. In the box they say for men and women.
Ooh, surprise.
Yes.
See, here comes the gift.
Yeah. So this is a basic Amazon packaging. Nothing much to say about it. It's just that this package cost is 676 rupees, including of taxes.
Oh,
Okay. So it's on a box. Right there.
okay.
So you can see a lot of things inside the box.
Yes.
So first is this letter which says packaged by Sandhya,
That is quite nice, a
Yes.
personal touch.
and you can scan her, know her story also. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so the first product we have got is this exfoliating bath soap. It comes in this beautiful bright green packet and it says oil control tree essence, so that works. So I think it's going to be a good product, it's a bath soap.
Yes.
What's
so,
next?
So with that there is another bath soap
Okay.
that is there. This is for the moisturizing for dry skins.
Wow.
So we get one for oil control and one for dry skins. So two bath soaps.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's check out the next one.
Yes, so the next product that we have got is a charcoal face pack for skin restoration and tightening. It's a coincidence, but I have been looking for a charcoal face mask for some time now.
Oh, so it's a nice gift for you.
Yeah, absolutely, and I cannot wait to see what we have got next.
Okay. So let's move on.
Sure.
So that was a charcoal face pack. With that we have a charcoal face wash.
Wow.
This is for polluting and oil control. It's a 45 gram package and beautifully packaged. I think I love the design that is there on
Yeah,
the tube.
it's a very nice matte design.
Yes.
And I'm thinking, even though it says men's shaving, I'll be using it a lot more than you.
So
yeah?
they say in the box it's for man and woman.
Okay, so it's unisex.
Yes.
Okay. What's next?
Yes. So the next product that we have
Wow. So we have got a face moisturizer and it's for normal and dry skin, and from this red tube it looks quite enticing. So I'll have to try it to actually know how it goes. Yeah.
is. Yes. So we have the face pack, face wash and the moisturizer.
Yes.
The set. And with it we have the face mask. Again a charcoal face mask. So face mask, then face pack and face wash, and then you have the moisturizer, the complete set for your face.
And along with that, we also have this applicator. I think this is an applicator with which you can use or apply the mask on your face.
Okay.
So yeah.
So this is a very complete product for your face. So
It's a good birthday gift. It's a good anniversary gift, I think.
yes,
Yeah,
absolutely.
And it's completely within your budget because it says around 676
Yes.
the pricing. So it's completely within your budget, and you are getting so many products. You are getting 6 products for 676 rupees, and all of these are quite good for your skin. Charcoal face wash, the face pack, the mask, the soaps, and ultimately the moisturizer. So all these things are the daily essentials that come in quite handy.
Yes, and in the price that they are giving it,
Yes.
for 670 rupees they're producing the complete stock in a gift box. I think this is a nicely thought of gift that you can give to anybody on any occasion, so which is not very heavy on your pocket. Also the price is nice, but then it's curated nicely in a box. And
Yes, and more importantly, this is not something that people just leave. These are something that people actually use
Yes.
on a daily basis.
They will need
so
it.
they won't go to waste.
yes, they will need it.
Yeah, and the box also comes in this neat packaging, so that is quite portable, and you can beautifully gift wrap it and give to your loved ones.
Yes, that is the difference. When it's in a box, like giving each of these gifts individually,
Yeah.
it doesn't look that nice. But when it's curated inside a lovely box like this, it becomes
It
very
becomes a
appealing.
hamper.
Yeah, it becomes very appealing.
Yeah.
So those were our basic thoughts on this product. But I think time has come also for the ratings out of 5. So what will you rate it?
So I'll rate it a 4 out of 5, but that is mostly because I haven't used any of these products and I don't know how they'll suit my skin. So because of that, it's 4 out of 5. Otherwise, I love the products, I love the box, and I love the personal touch. And they have given that this was packed by Sandhya and awesome women. So I love this.
Yes. For me, I think as a gift, this is a 5 out of 5. Like, as a gift, there is no complaints. You can gift it. It's price well. It's a nice curated, well gift. Like, just judging it from a gift point of view, for me, it's a 5 out of 5. I have no complaints. If like to buy this gift for somebody, the price is not high. It has everything of his daily needs. He will be using these products. These are useful products. So overall, I'll say it's a 5 out of 5 for me.
Okay, but one thing I would like to add that keep it in mind to gift it to somebody who is not very particular about the products they use, because I think if somebody is using it for the first time, they need to be assured of the quality and whether it suits their skin. So for a gift, it should be to someone who is not very particular about their skincare and about their products and about their quality and brand.
Yes, that is always there with something new. Now that is completely based on the person that's using it. But as a gift person, I think it's a nice gift. Bombay Shaving Company is a Indian company that is coming up right now. We see a lot of their products. I have personally used their products.
Okay.
So they're a very nice brand also. And yeah, for me, the gift, as it's priced, as it's packaged, as the usefulness of it, it's a lovely box.
Yeah, and I am looking forward to using them all.
Yes. With that, we have come to the end of this video.
Okay, but before leaving, do subscribe to our channel because that's what helps us grow.
And if you have enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, comment on this video, and share it with your friends.
And click on the bell icon to remain notified.
Also, please remember to follow us on Instagram and Twitter.
Absolutely. So see you in our next video. Till then, take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.